Les was in the rear. And he could have stopped.
Class Adkins and a small group of soldiers destroyed all signal equipment and classified documents, dug their way out of the rear of the bunker, and fought their way out of the camp. While carrying a wounded soldier to the extraction,
His first sergeant, a soldier by the name of Frederick Fugger, urged him to go to the rear. Beyond Syria and Iraq, we continue to go after ISIL wherever it tries to rear its ugly head. And I remember somebody rear ends me, and I call up the insurance company thinking maybe I can get some help.